Hi guys, this is Sadak from Rodman.com. In this video, we'll show you how to flash any file without doing a decryption. As of now, you could see my phone is currently encrypted. The easiest way to rectify the issue is by doing a factory reset, and then when you do so, all the files will be gone, but at least the phone will be decrypted. Then you could flash the file with ease, but doing a factory reset is not the only way out. If you are not flashing a custom ROM, then it does not make any sense to do a factory reset. So let me show you what I mean. As of now, even if I try to access the phone from the PC, it's the same issue. While flashing a custom ROM, it's a must to do a format data. But if you're flashing any other zip file, then that's not recommended. So for example, I'm flashing a matches file, and for the matches only, I will not do a factory reset because that will take ages to set up the phone from scratch. So I'm not doing a factory reset for that. So what else can be done? Well, you can easily flash the file using any other slot of the phone. For example, we will now use the phone's data slot, or you may also use the slot such as temp or any one of your choice from here. So you may use the data slot or the temp. Both will work, or any other one as well. The choice is all yours, but the recommended one is to either use the data or the temp, and you could flash the file without any issue whatsoever. No need to do the phone's decryption or do a factory reset as well. That's not required. Again, I'm repeating, if you're flashing a custom ROM, in that case, it's a must to remove the encryption. But if you're flashing just a normal zip file, in that case, it's no longer required to do a factory reset or remove the encryption. So with that in mind, let me show you how this could be done. So by default, you will be currently in the SD card directory, as you could see from here, and you will see currently is in the SD card. So first and foremost, tap on upper level, then choose the data slot or any one of your choice. And now let's do a file transfer in this slot as well. So for example, in my case, I need to flash the matches zip file. The matches file is this one. Also, I want the APK file as well. Okay, let's remove the APK. For now, let's use the matches zip only. Copy the zip file. Paste the file inside folder of platform tools. You may get the tools from my article. Paste the link file over here. Do a renaming for ease of convenience. Let's rename it to, let's say, M. The name becomes m.zip. So now open the CMD window over here. CMD, hit the enter key. Now type in the command of adb push file name, which is m.zip space / and the location, which in our case is right now the data slot. Type in that, hit the enter key, and we have now got the file in the phone's data slot and not the SD card. So we are currently in the data slot as well. From the data slot, just choose the zip file of your choice, which is okay. If you're not seeing it, just go back once upper level and again go to the data slot, and you will now see your file lying at the bottom, which is over here. Choose the file, swipe to flash, and the flashing will take just a few seconds. Let me show you. Okay, depends on the file type only. My file is matches, which will take only a few seconds. Example is around 80-90 MB at the very max, and it's now flash. You could see only a few more files are remaining to be flashed, and it's complete. If I go back to the SD card once again, just give me a second, I will show you. You could see the SD card is still encrypted, but even without doing a factory reset, the file is flashed onto my phone without any issue. You will see the file is not flashed. But even though my file is encrypted, the phone is encrypted. Same if you access the phone from the PC, it's the same issue over here. So if you're flashing a simple file, a single file, then you could do this job. But if you're flashing a custom ROM, then please do a factory reset. It's a must. I'm again repeating. And with that said, let's round off the video. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video.